Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make your Instagram account private. This is the only way to control who sees your posts and stories, giving you more personal space online. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure that only approved followers have access to your shared content. It is a quick process, taking less than 1 minute to complete, and offers significant control over your digital presence. To begin, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Once it is loaded, tap on your profile picture, located in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Next, look for the icon with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner and tap it. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy to proceed to the next step. Now that you are in the Settings menu, scroll down a bit and tap on Account Privacy. You will see a toggle switch labeled Private Account. Simply tap this switch to turn it to the On position. A small pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Tap Switch to Private. Your account is now private, meaning new followers must be approved. With your account now private, only people you approve can see your photos, videos, and stories. Any new follower requests will come to you for manual acceptance, giving you complete control. Your content will no longer appear in public searches or on the Explore page, enhancing your privacy. Remember, existing followers will still have access unless you choose to remove them individually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.